Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best portable coolers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're headed to a camping trip, a beach outing, or just need a reliable cooler for your next tailgate party, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Coleman Chiller 16-qubit insulated portable cooler. This budget-friendly option is perfect for those who want the reliable cooler without breaking the bank. With temp-lock insulation, it keeps drinks ice-cold for hours, making it great for day trips, picnics, and small gatherings. Its compact size holds up to 11 cans with 8 pounds of ice, and the large grip bail handle makes it easy to carry with just one hand. The design is simple yet functional. Made in the USA, it features a durable plastic construction with a smooth, quick-clean top that wipes down effortlessly. While it doesn't boast advanced features like some high-end coolers, its lightweight design, just 3.6 pounds, and portability are standout qualities. The bright ocean blue color adds a touch of style, and its dimensions allow it to fit comfortably in tight spaces. In terms of value, the Coleman Chiller is unbeatable for the price. It's ideal for casual users who need a no-frills solution for keeping beverages cold. However, it's not designed for extended ice retention beyond a day or for heavy-duty use. Pros include its affordability, portability, and ease of cleaning. On the downside, its insulation performance is limited compared to higher-end models. Overall, it's a great option for those on a budget who need a simple and effective cooler. At number 4, we have the Maelstrom soft-sided cooler bag. This versatile and collapsible cooler is perfect for those who need a lightweight yet spacious option. With a 22-liter capacity, it can hold up to 30 cans, making it ideal for picnics, beach trips, and kayaking adventures. Its standout feature is the 5-layer insulation design, which includes a food-grade PEVA lining and waterproof PVC layer, ensuring your food and drinks stay cold for up to 24 hours. The design of the Maelstrom cooler is both functional and stylish. It includes multiple pockets, front zippered pockets for small items, side mesh pockets, and even a back pocket for your iPad or other essentials. The detachable bottle opener is a thoughtful addition, and the cooler offers 3 carrying options: top handle, side handles, or an adjustable shoulder strap. Plus, it's collapsible for easy storage when not in use. For the price, the Maelstrom cooler provides excellent value. It's leak-proof, durable, and offers plenty of storage space. However, it's not as rugged as hard-sided coolers, so it's best suited for casual outings rather than rugged camping trips. Pros include its portability, multiple storage compartments, and long-lasting insulation. The only downside is that it may not retain ice as effectively in hotter climates. Still, it's a fantastic choice for those looking for a soft-sided, affordable cooler. Coming in at number 3 is the Titan by Arctic Zone Deep Freeze Cooler. This cooler combines the best of hard-sided and soft-sided designs. Its patent-tube zipperless lid allows for quick, hassle-free access to your food and drinks, while the deep freeze insulation with a radiant heat barrier keeps ice for up to 2 days. With a capacity of 16 cans, it's ideal for tailgating, road trips, or picnics. The Titan cooler is built with convenience in mind. Its hard-body liner includes a removable smart shelf, which separates soft items like sandwiches from heavier items like bottles or cans. The exterior is rugged, water-resistant, and stain-repellent, making it easy to clean. The adjustable shoulder strap with an anti-slip pad ensures comfortable carrying, even on long walks. In terms of value, the Titan cooler strikes a great balance between affordability and performance. It's a bit more expensive than the budget options, but offers superior ice retention and durability. Pros include its innovative zipperless design, excellent insulation, and ease of use. On the downside, it's not as spacious as some other models, and the design may not appeal to everyone. Overall, it's a fantastic mid-range option that performs well in a variety of scenarios. Taking the number 2 spot is the Coleman Xtreme 50-Cute Rolling Cooler. This is a powerhouse when it comes to capacity and ice retention. With extreme technology, it can keep ice for up to 5 days, even in 90 degrees Fahrenheit heat. Its massive 50-quart capacity holds up to 84 cans, making it perfect for large gatherings, camping trips, or multi-day adventures. The design is built for convenience. The durable wheels and telescoping handle make it easy to transport, even over rough terrain. The lid is strong enough to double as a seat, supporting up to 250 pounds. Additionally, the leak-proof drain makes water removal a breeze, eliminating the need to tip the cooler upside down. It's a versatile and well-thought-out design that's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. While this cooler is a bit bulkier and heavier, it's designed for those who need maximum performance. Pros include its exceptional ice retention, large capacity, and ease of transport. The only real downside is its size, which may not be ideal for smaller trips. Overall, the Coleman Xtreme is a fantastic choice for those who need a reliable, high-capacity cooler that can handle extended outings. And finally, at number 1, we have the Igloo BMX Hard Cooler. This premium option is all about durability and performance. Made with heavy-duty blow-molded construction, it's built to withstand the toughest conditions. Its extra-thick foam walls and insulated lid provide up to 4 days of ice retention, even in 90 degrees Fahrenheit heat, making it the ideal choice for long camping trips or outdoor adventures. The Igloo BMX is packed with thoughtful features. The rubberized T-latches ensure a secure closure, while the reinforced grab handles offer a comfortable grip. It also includes a threaded drain plug that can be connected to a hose for easy draining. Its rugged design, along with the oil green and gray color scheme, makes it stand out visually while being highly functional. Although it's the most expensive cooler on this list, the Igloo BMX offers exceptional value for its performance and durability. Pros include its long ice retention, tough build quality, and user-friendly features. The only con is its weight. It's heavier than most coolers in its category. However, if you're looking for the best of the best, the Igloo BMX is a clear winner for all your heavy-duty cooling needs. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy adventures.